the hero. Kakavanda Vatiaro. Kakavanda Partigalay. Nare Narai Kirikum Zaro.
Welcome back. Sir, working with Trisha, she's been tweeting left, right and center about what a wonderful experience it was working with you. Were there any sort of memorable episodes during the rehearsals itself, any sort of co-star bonding, something that you could tell us?
No, the rehearsal first, I insisted, and we had...
You did this for Dasavataram also, sir?
Yes, even in Dasavataram.
Okay.
Since there were many characters, including the cameraman needed rehearsal. The director needed rehearsals. The whole setup needed a rehearsal. If I move as one character, they must precisely know if I'm going to lift my hand or not. So the rehearsals were, and also not to make it look a stifled performance. So it was even more difficult in Dashavataram. Here, I think the director was also used to that. Because of his previous films that I rehearse a lot. Now I extended it to the actors. Usually they find it difficult. Some of them don't even come to dubbing because they think it's a waste of time. But all of them came once and did a script reading with me. And not that it made my writing better, that has to be inherently good or bad. But it gave me a clear sense of how I can approach the character. If they should not be saying certain things, it's out of character kind of a thing. And all of them came and rehearsed, and some of them who didn't act in the film due to some date problems, even they came. Like there are two characters, they didn't even perform in the film. I still have all the sounds of how they, and there are some interesting moments where I'm trying to emulate how the character should be. So I learn a lot.
So was the learning curve for you as well?
Yeah, all the time.
Also, sir, Anbe Sivam was that, road film genre. How would you classify Manmadanambu? Is it like a romantic comedy?
Yeah, it's a, rom-com would be a very limited description of this. But it's...
Can you tell us something about, the broad contours of the film?
The contours of the film is about love and the mishaps in it, and how you overcome or you don't overcome, and how your decisions and partners in life could change at a moment. And it's also convincing for the audience to see as to why it would happen this way. And somewhere you're not playing God, but you're anxious onlooker as things get out of hand and then they get a hold of their lives.
So you've scripted, you've written the lyrics for 5 to 6 songs, you've sung some of them. How do you respond to critics who say Kamal Haasan is sometimes a megalomaniac?
Well, I don't know about the mania or the megalo, but I have worked with gurus who've been like that. Mr. T.K. Shanmugam sang, directed the plays, acted in them, produced them, and he literally called the shots, and he was a makeup man himself. And Mr. Balchandra wrote, directed, produced. And I've worked with these kind of people, and it comes, it looks like a natural development. That's a thing, whether it's Mr. Rabindranath Tagore or Mr. Balchandra. People who, like Gulzar Saab, he directed, he wrote his lyrics, he wrote his dialogues. I think, I don't know why he didn't think of acting, because he could have done that as well. It's a choice. If you're capable, you should try.
Coming back to Trisha again, I know a lot of people will want to ask you this. After Gautami, she's one of the prettiest heroines you've acted with.
Yeah, no, but Gautami's prettiness is something else. What the cameras cannot see, I have. So
absolutely,
that's something else. Yes, Trisha is very pretty, and above all, very intense about her work. Whatever she wants to enjoy in life. When it comes to work,
She's focused.
she's there. And
Does she remind you of Sridevi in a sense? Because I remember in an earlier interview you were telling me that Sridevi would take that break, but once you're called back to work, she's back. She's able to switch just like that. Does she remind you of Sridevi?
Sridevi is a different. They came into cinema after having lived a life outside of cinema, like in college. And Sridevi comes from within cinema. So they blossomed into cinema. So that's another package.
Can't really
altogether.
compare the two.
Shouldn't compare.
The Kamal Hassan.
What I find about them is they know a lot about life because of going to college, having seen life. And when you come, it's a new world. So they bring in some world experience.
Do they have to unlearn a lot? Is that a challenge?
Of course, because what they assume as acting, even after coming to the industry, we had to tell them. Even in makeup, we had a lot of discussion. Unfortunately, towards the end of the film, she understands what I was trying to say about it. Because there is a fixed notion as to how film stars should look. There's a total disregard for a character, which is what actors should be concerned about. Everybody wants to be a star. Not all of them are going to make it. Only few will make it. But any good actor can continue being that, even without being a very big star. I aspired only for that. Stardom was something which surprised me.
So you're certainly not an actor killed by the star.
No, I'm not. An actor surviving a star.
That's a lovely way of putting it. Sir, also the combination, the Kamal Hassan, K.S. Ravikumar combo, this is what the fifth film that you're doing together. What is it that makes the stick really?
See, he's an excellent executive, what you call the Karmyogi kind of thing. And he takes care of the parameters. He knows when things can get out. He never lets the stuff fly off the handle. So he wants to hold the film. It's all the practical aspect of it. And he's got an open mind to ideas and open critical analysis of what ails him or what frightens him about or what sort of shadow of doubt in his mind. He will say that to me. And I, from my side, I like to make it as creatively interesting as possible. It's a nice combination of salt and pepper.
All right. Well, time now for another short break. We hate to take breaks, but then we have to. That's the nature of the medium. And when we come back, we'll talk to Mr. Kamal Hassan about adulation from other stars, also about projects in the pipeline. Stay tuned.
Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kakavanda Vadiaro Kakavanda Patigalai Nare Narai Kirikum